Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want your Squarespace site to appear properly in Google search results, connection Google Search Console is a must. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually integrate Squarespace with Google Search Console in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, before even going through Squarespace and all of this, go and open the Google Search Console. Go to Google Search Console and click Add Property. Then choose the domain or link prefix. Use your link for easier setup. Then enter your website link. I will show you how right now by going to Squarespace, login, using your email address and password. We're gonna go back to home. As for now, type your full Squarespace website address. For example, I will show you. So we're gonna go, let me check my website. We're gonna go to domains. We're gonna go to domains here. So this is my built-in domain, never expires here. Verify the ownership via Squarespace. Copy the verification code provided by Google. Then add verification code to Squarespace by going through this developer tools here, or even advanced, it depends. Then go to the external API keys and paste the code. Verify the website. Return to the Search Console and click Verify. Then submit your sitemap. Submit sitemap.xml inside the Search Console. So basically, sitemap help Google index your pages faster. You should also allow like 24 or 48 hours for data to appear. We all know this, and that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.